Hello, my name is Nana Emisa Eyim. Greetings wherever you are. I am a teacher. I am also a broadcast journalist. My team and I, as I said earlier, our lessons are designed in such a way that Ghanaians and foreigners can watch and learn at their own pace. They will also understand whatever we teach. I therefore recommend our tree learning channel or program to you and anyone who wishes to learn tree. We will take you through so many things. We will start with phonetics, taking you through all the tree alphabets. We will also take you through 2 letter words, 3 letter words, 4 letter words, 5 letter words. We shall also take you through simple sentences, compound sentences, complex sentences, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, conjunctions, proverbs, idiomatic expressions, class symbols, passages, festivals, days of the week, months of the year, and a whole lot of things. We shall talk about the Akan names. We shall talk about some customs of the Akan people. We shall also talk about so many other things, especially everyday expressions. So join us and let us study the tree in professional way. Our channel is on YouTube. Subscribe. It's called Learn into bracket Sua. The Sua is SUA. Sua. Tree. Learn. Sua. Tree. When you go to Facebook, it's Learn Tree. Learn Tree. Then we also have a WhatsApp platform called Tree Learning Group. You can contact us on 0241 144 854. It's a WhatsApp line. 0241 144 854 is a WhatsApp line. We also have another line 05077 90206 05077 90206. And this line is for those who are living abroad. You call this number, one of my team members will pick and talk to you. Plus 457 167 7742 plus 457 167 7742. So those of you in Europe, those of you in America, those of you in Asia, Australasia, and wherever you find yourself, when you call plus 457 167 7742, one of my team members will pick and talk to you. Thank you very much.